Windows Explained. What a pain! The witty guide to window types for your home. Let's talk windows. No, not the kind your computer crashes on, but the kind that lets sunshine pour in, keep nosy neighbors out, and either boost your home's value or scream, "I haven't been updated since the Beatles broke up." If you've ever walked through a home and thought, "Wow, are these windows older than bell bottoms?" then this blog is your jam. Whether you're stuck with those paper-thin single panes from the 60s or you're dreaming of impact-resistant hurricane shields, we've got you covered. Ready to see the world more clearly? Let's break it down, window style. Single-pane windows, aka vintage and drafty. Think grandma's house. Rattles in the wind. AC bill equals yikes. Era, common from the 1940s to the 1970s. Material, one lonely pane of glass. Pros, super cheap, like under $100 a window. Charming if you're going for the Mad Men vibe. Cons, zero insulation. Let's be honest, even your screen door blocks more air. Not energy efficient, like at all. No soundproofing. Hear your neighbor sneeze in HD. Cost to replace with something decent? $350 to $1,000 per window. Double pane windows, aka the modern must-have. Think energy efficiency meets modern style. Era, post-1980s, still the most common window today. Material, 2 panes of glass with insulating gas in between. Fancy, huh? Pros, lower energy bills. Your wallet thanks you. Keeps outdoor noise where it belongs. And it increases your home value. Cons, pricier than single pane. And the seal can fail over time. Hello, foggy windows. Cost is about $500 to $1,500 per window, depending on your frame and features. Next, we have hurricane impact windows, aka built like a tank. Think Florida homeowner's best friend. Era, popular in coastal areas since the early 2000s. Material, laminated glass with heavy-duty framing. Pros, it can withstand winds up to 200 miles per hour, and it may lower your home insurance. No more boarding up during hurricane season. Cons, cha-ching! They ain't cheap. Slightly less clear than regular glass. Cost is about $1,200 to $2,500 per window. But hey, can you really put a price on peace of mind and not getting smacked by a palm frond? Next, we have wavy glass windows, aka antique and mysterious. Think haunted mansions, vintage charm, and distorted reflections that whisper, "You look fabulous, darling." Era is the 1800s to the early 1900s. Material, hand-blown or early machine-rolled glass. Pros, unique, historic, and full of character. Gorgeous to look at and makes your home stand out. Cons, drafty, super drafty. Can't be duplicated, so repairs are costly. Not efficient in any timeline. Cost to replace with new but similar wavy glass? $1,000 to $2,000 per pane. Some people pay more just to add fake waves for that antique vibe. Next, we have casement and awning windows, aka the crank crew. Think opens with a handle like grandma's tuna can. Popular use, bathrooms, basements, and areas needing ventilation. Pros, great airflow. Modern ones seal super tight, and that equals energy savings. Cons, mechanisms can break. Not great for spots near walkways, because they swing out. Cost, $300 to $1,200 per window. And then we have picture windows, aka window meet wall. Think one big, beautiful, fixed window. Zero movement. Best for that killer view you want to frame, like art. Pros, maximum natural light. No moving parts equals fewer repairs. Cons, doesn't open, so no breeze. It can heat gain unless you go high end. Cost $800 to $3,000 depending on size. So, replace or move? Let's face it, replacing windows can be a pain in the wallet. But if the thought of replacing 12 drafty windows makes your eyeballs twitch, here's the good news. You don't have to do the work yourself. You can just buy a house that already has updated windows. Want to walk through some homes where the windows are hurricane rated, double paned, sealed like Fort Knox, and sparkle like a Hallmark movie? I've got just the listings for you. You can browse Dream Homes here at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. See those windows in action on YouTube? You can do that at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Call or text me now to window shop in real life. I'm Margaret, and my number is 321-480-7662. Let's find you a home where the only draft is the one from your favorite cold drink, not the window next to your recliner. Thanks for watching. Margaret Klein signing off, and you have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe.